Dear students, in this unit we will talk about another important group of vertebrates called known as birds. Now, with over 10,000 identified species, birds are one of the most spacious of the land vertebrates. They diversified, they have inhabited a lot of different habitats, and they have inhabited the skies of different habitats successfully. Now, birds are homothermic, which means that they have the ability to regulate their body temperatures. So this is an important transition from reptiles to birds as well as mammals. Now, birds don't have jaws. Instead, they have beak or bills, which is made up of core bone and surrounded by a thin layer of keratin. So this helps it to capture the prey and eat them and engulf them. Now, when we talk about the most astonishing character of birds is the presence of feathers, which help them to fly. These feathers are not only, they provide the insulation to the body, but they also allow for the flight at different skies, at different habitats. All birds lay eggs and which hatches and give rise to the young ones. Most of the birds, they have lightweight skeletons with hollow bones. This is very important. It helps them to fly to 1,000 miles and to evade the forces of gravity. The chest muscles of birds are highly developed, which are responsible for the flapping of entire wings. So in a span of a minute, it has to flap the wings a lot of times. So the strong chest muscles help them in doing so. When we talk about the respiratory system of birds, it is also very astonishing and quite different from that of reptiles as well as mammals. It is well adapted for high metabolic rate, which is required to the birds in order to attain consistent flight. Airflow or through the bird's lungs travels in one direction, which creates a cross-current exchange with the blood. It helps in efficiently absorbing the gases, especially the oxygen, so that it could help the bird for quick and for speedy metabolism. When we talk about the diet of birds, it varies. It could be seeds, it could be fruits, and due to their high metabolic rates, these birds normally have high body temperatures. They also have very efficient digestive system, which helps them to grind their food. No matter how hard it is, they have special area for soften and grinding of food, and the active absorption also takes place in their digestive systems. Some examples of birds include parrots, finches, pigeons, penguins, peacock, and ostriches as well. While most of the birds, they have the ability to fly, some of the birds, they are called as flightless birds. Their wings, they have been lost in evolutionary processes. The examples are penguins and ostriches.